All right, friends, here is an activity that you can do at home to practice your number sense. You are learning in math about 3D shapes, but that doesn't mean we want to forget about all the numbers that we've learned so far and how they work together, especially in math stories. And so tomorrow you'll be working on a prairie journal that will give you stories of animals adding and subtracting. And before that, I'd like you to play around with making your own caterpillar equations or caterpillar math sentences. Equations is another math word for a sentence using numbers and symbols, our math symbols. So I gave you all on Showbie a leaf activity mat and also the equations here for addition and subtraction, but you don't have to use these or print them out if you need to. You can also use a whiteboard to create your own math sentences and draw your own leaf. If we were in class, I love doing this with my little caterpillar pasta. And so along with that, you'll also get your number cards, 1 through 10, 11 through 20. Now for these, I'd like us to use 1 through 10. These are the ones that we add and subtract to. We want to be masters in doing that before we subtract from 11 or 17 or add these kinds of numbers. You can practice these with mom's help if you'd like, mom and dad's help if you'd like, but I would rather you master putting together and taking apart numbers 1 through 10. So on our mat, I would give you a few caterpillars and let's see. All right, this little guy. So I have my caterpillars on my leaf. 1 caterpillar, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 caterpillars and a roly caterpillar. There we go. 7 caterpillars. Now you get to decide. Do you want to do a subtraction math sentence or an addition math sentence? So let's go ahead and try subtraction first. So how many caterpillars on my leaf? We counted 7. So there's 7 minus something equals something. So let's go ahead and pick, how about 3? Let's minus or take away 3. 1, 2, 3 caterpillars go goodbye. How many did we minus? 3. I'm going to write it on my sheet there. And how many are left or equals? How many are left? 4. That is an easy peasy, lemon squeezy subtraction sentence using our caterpillar mat. How about here? Now our symbol, what does a plus symbol mean? To put together. So let's go ahead and start with my 7 again. And you don't have to use this colorful pasta. In fact, this colorful pasta is just making me hungry for colorful pasta. You can use sticks or rocks, beans, anything you'd like. It could be eggs on the leaf. Our class would just have used the rainbow pasta. So I have how many caterpillars on my leaf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm making an addition problem to put together. So I'm going to add, let's see, out of my hand, 1, 2, 3. What was the change in my math story? I added 3. Now, what do I have all together after putting it together? 7 plus 3, 7. 8, 9, 10. And I can put 10 on my equation there. For your homework, you do not need to write on the Showbie worksheets. You can if you'd like, if you're able to, but if you want to, just create 2 caterpillar equations for me. One that's addition and one that is subtraction. You may keep the cards to remind my friends. Some of us are still getting used to 1 through 20. So these are good flashcards for you to remind yourselves, counting our numbers 1 through 20. And that is how we can practice and keep our math brains sharp. Thank you very much.